Hi, Danny Lipford here from today's Homeowner. You know the kitchen is the center of family life, so it only makes sense you want it to look really nice. Well, I'm standing in a very nice kitchen that was recently renovated by a young couple that really went right back to the studs and rebuilt everything. Now, you don't have to go that extensive, but they used some great ideas that maybe we can borrow, like glass front cabinet doors. They've been around a long time, but they do such a great job in making your kitchen feel a little bit larger, plus gives you an opportunity to kind of display some of your nicer glasses and plates. Also, backsplashes are extremely popular these days in kitchen renovations, and subway tile, well, it used to be extremely popular years ago. Now it's back and very easy to install. Maybe just a small backsplash over your stove or your sink, or do the whole thing as they did. Granite countertops. You know, you used to have to take out that second mortgage to have granite countertops in your kitchen. Not anymore. The manufacturing process has gotten so much more efficient. The prices have dropped considerably. And hardware is something that you can add to your kitchen cabinets that can really make a difference. But if you're ready to make that statement, inject a little personality in your kitchen, this is the way to go. There are so many different commercially influenced faucets that are available out there, like this one from Danze by Gerber. And this is from their Foodie line, and it's called the Caliente. And it's available in a number of different finishes, but I love the features, the traditional spray you have there. But then by just turning it like that, you got a real powerful spray that can come in very handy. And also, by taking this, you can take the wand and move it around like this 360 degrees, which would be fantastic if you had an island configuration. And you can keep things clean, fill up the soup pots, all of that. And of course, a faucet like this is very easy to install. And you can find out more by going to danze.com, or for more kitchen renovation ideas, todayshomeowner.com.